In front of me is Realme 10 Pro Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. First of all, go into Settings and tap on Bluetooth. Then activate it by tapping on this gray switcher next to it. Now you need to wait for available devices to show and click on the chosen one. Lastly, select Pair in the pop-up and wait for the other device to do the same. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected. You can disconnect them by choosing this little icon next to the device, clicking on Unpair, and you can connect to the same one by switching off and then on your Bluetooth, clicking on it again and choosing Pair. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!